Next dog up is Siri. Ready. First dog out. These are our three challenge dogs. Before we start our challenge, we're just going to let them have one more throw. The wind's picking up a bit, and the handlers like to have another practice kind of a throw. So, okay, just a second. So, not wait. So, we've started. We've had our throw. We've started already. So, well, let me ask you: does this dog even catch frisbees? Oh my gosh! Well, here's a better question: does he know how to drop a frisbee? Doesn't matter. See, I'm kind of thinking that dropping it is part of the whole thing. Not so much. What do you guys think? Does he get to play? That's a